Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be walking you through proper routing between the Apollo Twin interface and the Scarlett 18i20 interface. Before we begin, please make sure you have installed both Focusrite control as well as the UAD console software. Step 1. Make sure you have both USB cables connected to your computer. Next, link the two interfaces together by connecting the optical cable from the in port of the Apollo Twin to the out port of the Scarlett 18i20 as shown. Step 2. We're going to set our clock sources. The Scarlett 18i20 is going to be the primary interface, which means you need to set your clock source to internal in the Focusrite control settings. You will also need to set the digital I/O mode to dual ADAT and then restart the device. Once you have done that, open up console and set the clock source from internal to ADAT. Step 3. We need to reroute the 8 ADAT channels in Focusrite control. Click the Output Routing tab at the top and scroll down until you see your ADAT outputs 1.1 through 1.8. Then change the output routing of the channels to analog 1 to 8. This will ensure console will be able to read them. Next, open your computer sound settings and ensure your output device is set to Scarlett 18i20. After that, go to your DAW audio settings and change your input device to Universal Audio Thunderbolt, which is the Apollo Twin, and then make sure your Scarlett 18i20 is the output device. Once you've done that, open up the settings in console to identify the proper input channels of the 8 new ADAT channels. You will need to know these input channels when you record in your DAW. You can then go to your DAW to locate the proper input channels and rename them. If you are a Logic Pro user, go to the Mix tab and then click on I/O labels to easily rename the input channels to a custom name. I have labeled mine Scarlett 1 through 8, which corresponds to the microphone inputs of the Scarlett. Since the 18i20 is your output device, hook up your monitors and headphones to the 18i20. It will be your main monitoring interface. There is one caveat to this routing setup. While this routing setup allows you to run your input recordings through console, allowing you to take advantage of the custom plugin chains, it does not allow you to direct monitor out of console. The monitoring will only be accessible from your host DAW. To monitor the direct signal from console, you will need to plug in a pair of headphones to your Apollo to hear that direct signal. If anyone knows a better way of consolidating all of the monitoring to the primary interface, please leave that information in the comments below. Thanks for watching.